Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be talking about coffee, and as you can see in this corner of our kitchen we have a large variety of tea and coffee because we love, both me and my husband and my daughter too, we all love tea. But in particular my husband loves coffee and he's got a huge variety of coffee. Most of it's Turkish, or this is Middle Eastern coffee with or without cardamom. This is some German coffee, some coffee from Peru. He prefers Turkish coffee, and this is one of his traditional coffee pots, and I have another video on how to make a Turkish coffee if you'd like to see it. But from time to time he likes to use this traditional Italian coffee machine, and this is a stovetop. It's really easy to be used. We had this for so many years, at least 5 or 6 years. This is a gift from my father-in-law. He brought it from Italy. He used to live in Italy a while ago. He's been working there. Now he just moved to another country. And we carried this pot with us in China, where we lived for 5 years in the past, now in Germany. And who knows in which country we're gonna take this with us. So let's get started. So the Italian espresso machine is made out of 3 parts. So you've got the upper part, yeah, with a lid, and then you've got the middle part. Yeah, this is your coffee filter. This is where you actually put the coffee, and the bottom part, and this is where you have to put the water. Alright, so I filled the bottom part with water. Now, depending on the brand that you're using, you'll see different marks inside. I don't know if you're able to see it now. This is the valve, and you're not supposed to cover it with water. So up to the valve, you're supposed to fill it in with water. Alright, so after you fill the bottom part with water, just place the middle part, the coffee filter, and then just add the coffee. Now I'm gonna use Dow Egbert's coffee, and we bought this coffee from the Netherlands. It was on sale. I think we paid around €2 for the whole package. So for a strong coffee, you have to completely fill the thing with the coffee. Alright, so that was about 5 to 6 teaspoons. And now I'm just gonna take a cup, the bottom part of a cup, and just gently level down and pressing the coffee.
If I may, this is a trick I've learned from an old Italian lady, so it will really make a difference.
And now we're just gonna put the upper part, and place it on the stove. Alright, I'm gonna turn off the stove now, and soon it will boil up and you'll be able to see the coffee. Alright, the coffee started to boil. hear it. And if you have to pull out the cap. And it's done. So turn off the stove. And it's ready to be served. It's done now. I'm gonna pour it to this cup. The downside of this coffee maker is that you don't get that velvety cream on top. But it's a very good espresso. If you like espresso, then this is gonna be your coffee. Now, I've got different syrups here that I like to use in my coffee. So I've got some white chocolate syrup, or this is some macadamia nut syrup. This is some dark chocolate syrup that I like to add. You can also add some lump sugar, which is Chinese cubed sugar, or even jaggery sugar, which is Indian sugar. You can add some other spices like cinnamon, or if you want to keep it on a Middle Eastern side, you can use some cardamom seeds. So you can get about 2 small cups of coffee out of this espresso maker. And I forgot to mention that this can come in different sizes. So I think this is a medium size, because I know there are some smaller ones and also some larger ones. Once again, thank you again for watching this video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. See you soon.